Hello, friends. Today we're taking a look at my portfolio. Know that some of you guys have been wondering what I own, so I'm going to be sharing that. This is a portfolio that I started about a year ago. When I started learning more about value investing, and so I'm not so much of a trader, I'm more of a value investing. But anyway, I really appreciate all the support that I've been receiving in this channel. Thank you for the comments. I would like to encourage you to subscribe, to hit the like button, or just leave me a comment about any ideas that you have with stocks that we can take a look at. Anything that you disagree with me. I really enjoy being part of this community and listening to different YouTubers and seeing their bull cases, their bear cases, learning from them. It's really been a nice experience. So I really appreciate that. And that's why whenever I get an idea from any of them, I just like to put them in my videos. With that said, I would like to also tell you, because I care about you, not to make financial decisions based on my portfolio or my decisions to buy or not to buy. I will encourage you to do that on your own. This is not financial advice. This is for just educational purposes, just like a mental exercise from my side. And I just enjoy talking about stocks with you guys. So if you have any comments, any questions, just put them down there. I would like to hear from you. With that said, let's move to my portfolio. As you can see here, my portfolio has 61% in ETFs and 36% in stock. I have right now about 2.3% in cash. I will not be disclosing the actual total amounts that I have, just because this is not just my money. This is also my wife's Roth and traditional and all the stuff. So, and she doesn't want that in being put public. So we're gonna respect the wife. You understand that. So, but one of the things that it been doing is we had mutual funds, and then I learned about how much fees we were paying on that. And if you want me to do a video on that, on why is better to have mutual funds instead of ETFs instead of mutual funds, let me know. So little by little, I've been selling some of my ETFs, and I've been buying some of the stock as they become more affordable or value. These are the 4 ETF that I'm investing in, and if you would like a video on why I chose these 4, just let me know. But we have JEPI, which is it's a fund that does some options trading, so it generates a really nice amount of income. I have the SCHG, which is the growth from Swap, and then I have the dividend from Swap, which is the SCHD, and then we have a large cap ETF, the SCHX, low fees. That's why I like them. And if you would like me to get a little more deep into why I do these 4 ETFs, what is my ETF strategy there, just let me know. When it comes to sectors, we have, my largest sector is consumer defensive at 23%, in which I have Kruger, Albertson, Pepsi-Cola, and Coca-Cola. Pepsi and Coca-Cola, I just bought them not too long ago whenever they had that big dip. Same thing with Kruger. Kruger, it got to the point that I just been wanting to own it, and I just bought it. So Albertsons, I bought it all the way back to in January of this year, whenever we're talking about the acquisition. But anyway, the next one is financial services. I just bought MasterCard and Visa whenever they had that big dip. So I believe it was in October or something like that. T. Rowe Price, I also bought it not too long ago. I've been paying attention to it. I've been wanting it to get under 100, and finally it is under 100. Once again, this is not financial advice. Next sector that I have is real estate. I have two real estate companies that I really like, and which is Highwood Properties, ticker symbol HIW. They pay like 10% of dividend. I like them. They are most of offices. And Armada, Hoffler Properties, they're a diversified REIT, and they pay about 7% right now. So those are my two real estate companies. After that, I have financial. I already talked about financial services. Duh. I have consumer cyclicals. Consumer cyclicals. I have the Movado Group and CSV. I just made a video on CSV, which is the 3 small cap video. It should be coming out with this video too. I'm releasing these two together. The Movado, they do a lot of high-end things, accessories. Also, we have here in the industrial, we have ADP. I just bought it within the dip. And then same thing with CSX, which ADP, by the way, is payroll. CSX is a railroad. Same thing with Canadian National Railroad. Those companies, I bought them not too long ago. Let's see, what else do we have? Then after that, we have communication services. Communication services as Google. I have a very small position in Google, and that I bought a long time ago. And then I have Disney. And Disney, I'm hoping that it starts to rebound soon. We'll be talking about the different money that I've been able to make from them. And then I have energy. I just bought Chevron and ExxonMobil. And then we have healthcare with CBS. That's the only one that I've purchased. I am looking, if you have any ideas for any technology company that are undervalued, or maybe a basic materials, I am going to be looking more into utilities. It is very hard to value utilities. So if you have a good resource for that, please put it in the comment. I will really appreciate it. So, and these are all the different percentages of all the different stocks that I have. So in the past month, I made about 2%. My stock is kind of up 2%. Here are some of the averages of what it has grown. And I know I just went really quick, but I'm running out of time. So I'm just going to jump here. What are my top losers? Well, Disney right now, it is down 2.78%. I bought it at 87.48. T. Rowe Price is down 1.29. Here's my entry prices. I just bought Carriage Services and it's down 1.13. ExxonMobil is down less than 1%, and Chevron is less than 23%. Most of these ones, except Disney, are new holdings. And when it comes to top gainers, I have Alphabet. Man, I should have bought more. Most of this is 45%. I bought it at $89. Movado Group is up 7%. My real estate company, Highwood Properties, they just had a big jump. They're at 588. They were down almost 6%, so it was a huge jump. CBS, It's a 5.77%. I bought it back in June. I bought a little bit more in August. And then we have Alberson. I bought it in January and April. I added a couple more whenever they were talking about being acquired by Kruger. So anyway, those are my top losers, top gainers. I hope that it was fun for you to look at them. I'll try to get better at this. I really appreciate any comments, and see you next time. Bye.